When it comes to transforming motorcycles into rolling pieces of art, few workshops match the passion and craftsmanship of Le Motographe. Based in Montpellier, France, the talented duo of Jerome and Yvan have built a reputation for pushing creative boundaries in the custom motorcycle world. Among their most memorable creations stands the Yamaha SR500 Dusty Classic, a breathtaking scrambler that blends vintage appeal, modern precision, and off-road ruggedness in one striking package. Originally commissioned by a private client, this Yamaha SR500 began life as a humble, universal Japanese motorcycle. But under the care of Le Motographe, it evolved into something far more refined. The transformation began with a complete teardown, stripping the bike down to its bare essentials. Gone were the stock panels, seat, exhaust, and suspension. In their place, the builders introduced handcrafted components that not only enhanced performance, but also redefined the bike's visual identity. One of the standout features of the Dusty Classic is its bespoke rear subframe, meticulously crafted in-house. The builders integrated Kellerman multifunction LED lights directly into the tubing, serving as both taillights and turn signals to keep the rear end clean and minimalist. The old suspension was replaced with YSS shock absorbers that feature full adjustability and progressive springs, ensuring the Scrambler could handle both urban rides and dirt tracks with equal poise. The new seat is a masterpiece on its own, upholstered in luxurious burgundy leather that exudes timeless elegance. This touch of color complements the brushed metal finishes found throughout the build. Above it sits a custom aluminum gas tank, handcrafted by Le Motographe's artisans. Its smooth, rounded lines perfectly balance the bike's rugged Scrambler aesthetic. A Monza-style fuel cap and custom badges add a dose of retro flair, while a high-mounted front fender completes the classic silhouette. Moving up front, the Dusty Classic features a vintage-style headlight mounted using bespoke brackets attached to the bottom triple clamp. The cockpit area is kept minimal, with a single handlebar-mounted dial serving as the bike's only gauge. Small but powerful Kellerman indicators sit discreetly at the handlebar ends, paired with new grips and modernized controls that enhance both comfort and functionality. The choice of wheels and tires plays a crucial role in achieving the Dusty Classic's off-road ready stance. Le Motographe wrapped the spoked rims in dual-purpose Hidden-out tires, capable of tackling both paved streets and rugged trails. Underneath the beautiful exterior lies a finely tuned engine that retains the SR500's legendary single-cylinder simplicity, but adds a few smart upgrades. The power plant breathes through a Mikuni TM carburetor and a large aftermarket pod filter, boosting responsiveness and efficiency. But what truly brings this build to life is its custom exhaust system, a handcrafted stainless steel unit that snakes elegantly along the bike's frame before exiting beneath the seat through a compact muffler. This not only gives the Dusty Classic an aggressive Scrambler look, but also delivers a raw, throaty exhaust note that captures the essence of vintage motorcycling. Finishing touches elevate this build to museum-worthy status. The frame, swing arm, and most of the tank are painted in a deep black, contrasted with sections of exposed metal that highlight the craftsmanship involved. Every detail, from the welds to the textures, tells a story of precision and passion. The Yamaha SR500 Dusty Classic is more than a motorcycle. It's a symbol of timeless design and French artistry. Le Motographe managed to preserve the SR500's soul while injecting it with personality, making it one of the most refined Scrambler transformations of recent years. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, nostalgia, and the enduring beauty of custom motorcycle culture.